at highlights and zoom in Captivate. So straight away I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I'm going to preview this slide and you're going to see the result. So here we have the highlight and the zoom effect that comes right after. So actually it's a combination of two effects, the highlight box and the zoom, all taken from Captivate. So we are going to do it together. I'm selecting this slide, and then let's say, for example, that I want to do the highlight and zoom effect on the slide 15 that we have here. So first of all, I'm going to take the highlight box from the first slide of the template. Highlight box is here, and I'm going to copy it and paste it on this slide. All right, so I'm going to adjust it like this. Okay. Something important to check is on the properties, the fill outer area checkbox. This one has to be checked so that the area outside of the rectangle is filled with black and with an opacity of 60%. So let's see the result straight away. So we have the highlight that appears and disappears with fade-ins and fade-outs. So I'm going to adjust the timeline. So I want it to appear after 1 second and for a duration of, let's say, 6 seconds. All right. So that's for the highlight. Now I'm going to place the zoom. So you can take it from the toolbar here. And we have two components, the zoom destination and the zoom source. So I want to place the zoom source at the exact same position as the highlight box. So I'm going to note the position of the highlight box. So on the properties, I can see that it's at 44,482 and the dimensions are 17425. Okay. So I'm going to apply the exact same properties on the zoom source. So we said 44,482, and then I'm going to uncheck constraint proportions to set the dimensions freely. All right. So here you can see that the two are overlapping. If we have a look at the zoom destination, we can see that it's distorted. So of course you can try to get something approximate, but what I suggest you to do is to do the exact same thing. So not for the position, it can be positioned anywhere, but at least for the dimension 174 and 25. And now, with the help of the Shift key, we can expand the box and have the right proportions, at least the right ratio. Okay? All right, so let's have a look at the timeline. So here is our zoom effect. So I want it to appear a little bit later than the highlight box. So let's say a second later. Then here on this first part we have the zooming effect and the duration. So let's make it match with the end of the highlight box. Okay, so let's have a preview. Highlight and the zoom effect. So the only thing here is that I can see, and I could see on the preview, that there is an outline, a green outline that we have here on the properties. So to remove it, just simply set the width to 0, and same thing for the zoom destination. with 0. Let's have one last look. And here it is. And they both go. Alright, so that's it. I hope it was helpful, and see you soon.